Hello, kids! Today we are going to learn the letter P. Can you say P?
P.
Perfect! Look carefully. Big P is written like this, P.
Yeah.
And small p is written like this, P. Big P and small p. P and P. P is for pig. A pig rolls in the mud and says, oink, oink. Let's all make pig sounds together. Oink, oink. Do you like pigs? P is also for pencil. A pencil helps us draw and write. What would you draw first? And P is for pizza. A hot pizza with cheese and toppings. Yum! Delicious! Let's say the words slowly together. Pig, pencil, pizza. Excellent! Now trace the letters in the air with your finger. Big P, one line down, and one big bump at the top. Again, one line down, and one big bump at the top. Can you clap 3 times and say P? 1, 2, 3. P. The letter P is perfect. You learned big P, small p, and words like pig, pencil, and pizza. Next time, we will meet the letter Q.
Wow!
Bye-bye, kids!